Can the president sign an executive order, the effect of which is to force the Treasury to spend $440 billion with a B dollars that was never appropriated by an act of Congress? That's what was argued in the Supreme Court this morning. All 6 of the conservative leaning justices, led off by the chief, as soon as he recognized the lawyers in the courtroom, he started right away with, how can the president possibly incur an obligation like this when the Constitution says only Congress can spend the people's money? And there are legal arguments on both sides. The liberal justices were saying, well, these people are going to default, and it's probably better for them and better for the banks if the government just pays these bills and gets it over with. Well, that's not the point. The point is, these were loans, and they may have been signed by these young people when they were students, but they're adults. They had reached maturity to the point where they can take out loans, and they agreed to pay them back. The Chief Justice's argument is this is a public policy question for giving loans and spending money of this magnitude. And public policy is not set by the courts, and it's not set by the president. It's set by those people recognized in Article 1, the Congress. The Congress sets public policy. If the Congress wants to forgive this obligation, if the Congress wants to tell the Treasury to borrow $440 billion and pay off all these loans, only the Congress can do it and not the president. Prediction: President Biden loses. So President Biden may have got all these young people to vote for the Democrats by doing his best to save them this money, knowing all along that it wouldn't work. They often make proposals they know are constitutional, so they can wave to the gallery and say, I did my best for you. It's those black-robed judges that stopped me. Welcome to America, 2023.